A 12,000-ton merchant navy ship was on its way from France to the UK through the Bay of Biscay when it ran into some bad weather. After the storm passed, the crew noticed some serious damage to the ship and its cargo. I guess that's what happens when you are hammered by wave after wave for hours on end. This sea is notorious for shipwrecks over the years, so it's good that the crew in this video didn't suffer a similar fate. While everything was flooded, everyone on board was able to make to their port safely.